colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today Papa Tooth will be telling us all about how he takes care of cabbages for his farm. This is flowers.
No, man, it's cabbage. Mud. You can start, This is a cabbage nursery. This is cabbage nursery.
You sure a cabbage doesn't look like cabbage?
Cabbage, so a couple of weeks from this now we're going to plant. A couple of weeks from this is cabbage. It's a nursery.
They're going to transplant it.
We're going to transplant it. Okay, we're going to transplant it a couple of weeks from this. The rain season kind of leave, so you have to carry water.
How you take care of the nursery?
We have to clean it out now. You have to bend like this and clean out the grass. Because the grass will kill it. It's like when you water it, you know. You have to take care of it.
Oh, so when you water it, the grass grow too?
Grass grow with the fertilizer. This is a nursery. So we have to keep this wet. Pack of seed.
You mean 5,000 pack?
I want the seed.
Then count the seed?
Yes, a machine put the seed in the packet.
So this is a package?
Yeah, that is the packet.
Oh, 5,000 seeds.
Yeah. And this going to plant now.
So how you get this? So you sow this? How you put this in the nursery?
You just sow it in my hand. Use my hand and sow it in the nursery. Use my hand and sow it. So
just scatter it and that's it?
Scatter it. That's it. And throw a little topsoil on it. And a couple of weeks from this now we're going to fertilize it. Let it come with the water.
What kind of fertilizer you use?
Use fertilizer. Any kind of fertilizer. High power lizer. You have a lizer then called high power lizer. We just use that and do it. So the planting time is going to be about January.
Okay.
This year done already. This year done already. So January. About the second week in January, this can plant.
So when you plant January, how long it take for ready?
This cabbage take 3 months.
January, February, about March?
Yes.
So we can come off a cabbage March?
You can come off a cabbage. Lots of cabbage March. Lots of cabbage. You can come off for March. Okay. Okay. I'm waiting in the nursery now. Waiting in the nursery.
You make the pan?
Me build this pan. Okay. Every other day you have to wet this.
Every day?
Yeah.
Because rain no fall?
But the rain not falling now, so. Couple of weeks time from this now, you can plant. Yeah. Just use a donkey, carry the water from the tank and from my home.
So satisfying touch.
Okay.